My name is Patrice Windmon, and my current title is Master Data Lead. I've been with G&W Electric for 19 years. When I first joined G&W Electric, I was an assembler on the Viper line, and that transitioned into my current role as the Master Data Specialist. The majority of my job is entering routings for new sales orders and doing the cost roll-up for the finance department. G&W Electric always saw the potential in me. So as an inspector in the shop floor, when I show entrance into print room, they just had faith in me to take that role even though I didn't have the experience. Once I was in that position in the print room, I was able to learn more and show my interest in more positions and be able to advance to where I am now. G&W offered me college training. I went to DeVry. My mentors here has been amazing. Monica Mendez took me under her wing and taught me a lot. The previous director of supply chain, when I became a planner, she taught me everything. Most of my peers or my seniors have been great in showing me whatever I need if I need help. In a manufacturing environment, especially this one, it's engineered to order. Nothing is ever the same. It's always different. I'm a problem solver. I love making things better, so here with the engineer to order, I get that opportunity quite often. My career path makes me proud to work here at G&W. They truly see the potential in what you can do and give you the opportunity to be all you dream to be.